What's up, guys? It's your boy OG Rag Bro here doing some repairs and maintenance on the TRX 4Runner. This thing is becoming at least one of my top rigs. Who am I kidding? They are my top rigs. But anyway, I had a problem with a Reefs Raw 500. As you can see, the steering is locked. And one thing I will be doing, taking this servo out and trying to rebuild it. Hopefully it's just a rusted bearing. Try to rebuild it with this Reefs Raw 500 just in case gear set. Get it? Just in case gear set. Anyway. Yeah, but first, I'm gonna take this one out and replace it. And I'm gonna show you what I'll replace it with. But before I show you what I'm gonna replace it with, I'm gonna get this old one out of here. And as you can see, this thing is equipped with a Hobby Wing Fusion Pro. And these Enjoyer servos lasted longer than that Reefs 500. But that Reefs Raw 500 been wet multiple times, and hopefully it's just some rust. Something's rusted in there. Alright guys, now that we got this one out, I'll show you what we decided to go with. Even though this one will be rebuilt, hopefully we can reuse it for something else. This one's about a year old. Been submerged multiple times in water. Took a beat. And guys, I decided to replace it with another Raw 500. Now, being as though I'm going with the same servo with the same amount of travel, I'm gonna leave all the settings where I have it at and do a couple of test fits just to make sure I got it tracking right. But I think this is the way it's gonna sit. And this part can be a little time consuming, but you'll thank yourself at the end. But it will never hurt just to clear your settings and your servo and go from there. But I had this rig for a while. I think I know how it's gonna go. And we got everything torqued back down. Put the screws back in it. And we'll be ready to see what's going on with this other one. Alright guys, we got this back to go. Now I'm gonna take this servo apart and see if I can figure out what's going on with that. Well guys, I got all the spare parts in, but one problem I'm having, this pin is in the center, holding that middle gear down or in place, and it's broke off inside the middle of the servo. I can't get it out. But I may send this out to Reefs for repair, and I'll let you know how that goes. But please like and subscribe. See you next time. At least we got the TRX4 back on the road.